Hey there, and welcome to Talk Crafted English, your go-to spot for learning real, simple English you can use every day. I'm your host, and today we're unlocking the world of hobbies. Now, you might be thinking, wait, what's a hobby exactly? Well, stick around, because by the end of this episode, you'll be chatting about your favorite pastimes like a pro. We'll break down useful phrases, sprinkle in some frequency adverbs, and practice together. Ready to sound natural when talking about what you love? Let's dive in. Let's start with the big question, what is a hobby? Simply put, a hobby is something you do for fun, not for work or school. Think of it like choosing your favorite ice cream flavor. It's all about what you enjoy in your free time. People's hobbies can be creative, like painting or playing guitar, or active, like soccer and cycling. Ever heard the word pastime? That's another way to say hobby. So, next time you hear someone say, "My pastime is gardening," you'll know exactly what they mean. Now, let's paint the picture with some real-life examples. Drawing, cooking, reading, playing sports. These are all classic hobbies. Maybe you're into video games, or perhaps you love dancing. Some folks collect stamps. Yes, really. While others go hiking or bake cookies, I bet you have your own favorites. The cool part? Hobbies help you relax and learn new skills. So, what's your go-to activity when you want to unwind? Here's where things get practical. Let's talk about how to say what you like to do. The two superstar patterns are, I like yaone, verb, ing, and I enjoy yao noun or verb, ing. For example, I like painting or I enjoy music. Easy, right? These patterns are like your Swiss Army knife for conversation, simple, flexible, and always handy. Try saying, I like swimming, or I enjoy cooking Italian food. Go ahead, repeat after me, and feel your confidence grow. Now, let's spice things up with frequency adverbs, words that show how often you do something. We've got always, usually, sometimes, and never. These are like traffic lights for your habits. For example, I always read before bed, or I sometimes ride my bike on weekends. Notice how they change the meaning? Never means 0 times, while usually means most of the time. Try mixing these into your hobby sentences. It makes your English sound way more natural. All right, let's flip the script. How do you ask someone about their hobbies? Here are 2 friendly openers. What do you like to do on weekends? And do you have any hobbies? Simple, right? These questions are like opening a door. They invite conversation. Imagine meeting someone new. Instead of awkward silence, you ask, do you have any hobbies? Instantly, you've got something interesting to talk about. Give it a try next time you meet a friend. Let's put it all together with a few sample sentences. Listen and repeat after me. I like playing football. I enjoy drawing in my free time. Sometimes I bake cookies on Sundays. I never go fishing, but I love hiking. Notice the rhythm? By combining sentence patterns with frequency adverbs, you sound fluent and friendly. Now you might be wondering, what if I have more than one hobby? No problem. Just add and. I like reading and playing guitar. Easy as pie. Let's get interactive. Here's your mini challenge. Answer this question out loud. What do you like to do in your free time? Maybe you say, I like cooking and sometimes I play tennis. Or, I enjoy listening to music and I usually go jogging. Don't worry about making mistakes. The more you practice, the more natural it feels. So, what's your answer? Take a deep breath and speak it out. I'll wait. Great job, seriously. Now, let's talk about getting better faster. The secret, repetition, and real-life practice. The more you use these patterns, the more automatic they become. Try saying your hobby sentences while you're cooking or walking. Imagine you're chatting with a friend at a cafe. The technical term for this is muscle memory. Your brain and mouth start working together, just like riding a bike. So don't be shy. Keep repeating and you'll sound natural in no time. All right, friends, we've covered a lot today: what hobbies are, how to talk about them, and how to ask others about theirs. Remember, a hobby is just something you love to do. Use patterns like I like and I enjoy, sprinkle in frequency words, and don't forget to ask your friends about their hobbies too. Keep practicing, keep repeating, and soon, talking about hobbies in English will feel as easy as chatting with an old friend. Thanks for joining me. Go out and use your English today.